Hello friends, welcome back in my channel Integration of Life. So we are here to discuss more and more about life experience and life expectations and how life knocked down us in different situations, and we are here to help you to overcome in all those situations. So I am here to talk you about one of my experience when my father sent me to a very good English medium school in 7th. It's in Delhi. So that time, what happened? I was from Hindi medium background, and it's very difficult to speak English at that time. And I went there. I got admission somehow because my father was in CRPF, and so that's how I got admission there. So what I went first day in class, and I saw there are so many books. So I know all books are in English except Hindi and Sanskrit. So what happened? It was very new to me, and I am not kind of a guy who really study hard, and I always always trying to run far from studies. So okay. So I remember that in my English class, every day I used to go get outside. My teacher came. I remember the teacher's name, Sujata ma'am. She was very nice teacher. She know how to teach English very well. So every day, what happened? Every day she gave us some paragraph, and you have to convert that paragraph in a different scenario, and you have to come up with you have to give a speech in front of a class. You have to tell about that, like a summary of that chapter. And it was very difficult for me because I was from Hindi background. I can't even say a single word because I don't know how to speak English, man. And that day I was I felt very low. So for 1 year, same thing happened. I go to class. Sujata ma'am slaps me. I was out of class. Then I went to playground. Some of other class section having games period. So I played with them. So that's how I am my 7th class. But one thing I have learned, I never gave up, guys, at that time, because no matter they scold me in front of everyone. I was so confident about myself. One day I will learn and I will knock all you down, no matter how hard it will take. Then guys, that's how then again I go back to my hometown, and I started then I took admission in a Hindi medium school for 9th and 10th, and I got good marks. Then I went to, so during college, I remember the day when I was in college. It's I think second year when we have analytical skill classes. Where you have to give, you have to speak. It's like a interview preparation sessions where teacher come and ask you. So that day means till that day I don't know how to speak English. But I was full confident, guys. Means I never, no matter people laugh on me, I don't care anymore. So what happened? I remember the teacher came and tell me, okay, Prashant, introduce yourself. This was the first lecture of analytical classes at the time of BTech. So guys, I went there, and I was front of every classes. So I don't know how to speak, but I am having a full confidence. No matter how much my English words is, I will saying whatever in my mind. So I have started. My name is Prashant Singh. I am from Bharatpur, Rajasthan, and I am doing BTech because my parents want to. And like that I got stuck somewhere, and everybody in class was laughing on me, except some people who knows me very well. So everybody was laughing, and that day, that something pinched inside me. Means I did not get disappointed, I did not get demotivated. I have said that, man, what is wrong with me? Why I am not trying so hard so that I can speak like everyone, every people are speaking, they are so fluent. But some people are so fluent, but they are not confident enough to speak. They have an anxiety. Because I know that no matter 1,000 people is sitting in front of me, I can speak. But the only thing, there should be some content for me so that I can speak in. So I have started watching Vampire Diaries, that fucking Vampire Diaries, guys. That's how then series really with subtitles. Then slowly for 1 year, 2 year, I keep speaking, I keep trying with my friends, and somehow I was little bit fluent in speaking, but my grammar was pathetic, so pathetic. I can't even now also it's very pathetic, but I am so confident about talking in English, no issues. So guys, what I am saying, no matter how much hard situation in you are, you always keep trying, try your best, give your best shot, whatever you have in your, in your inside you. Keep faith, be patient. And so I will tell you another story. So then I took MBA, and in MBA, every day we have a newspaper session. I keep speaking, and the one day I was able to speak English in front of 200, 300 students with a full confidence, and my English was so pathetic. I don't know what I was saying, but yeah, everybody got convinced. Everybody got the message what I was able to tell them. So guys, no matter how much worse you are, at least you have to keep trying. So there is one story, guys. Okay, guys, I will tell you another story. There is a one plant called Chinese bamboo tree. It took 5 years to grow. When the farmer go to and buy the seed and keep seeding that thing and every day he give water. He taking care of sunlight, he taking care of each and every compost what he require, what that plant is required. For 5 years, guys, he are keep doing, and nothing come out from that place. So some person asked, boss, what the fuck are you doing, man? Since 5 years, I am seeing that the same thing you are doing, and there is nothing come out of it. Why you are doing? And suddenly one day, within 5 weeks, it got 90 feet tall. And the person, what man, what? So, what do you think? It takes 90 days to grow that plant or 5 years? So guys, it took 5 years to grow that plant 90 feet. So guys, no matter what your dream is, try hard. Keep doing the thing you are doing with consistency. Have faith in yourself. Keep nurturing that thing. Then only you will get to know what. And one day, maybe 1 year, 2 year, 5 years, 6 years, one day you will get the result what you are expecting from yourself. So keep doing, guys. Stay happy. Stay healthy. And if you really love this video, please like, share and comment.